413 kilometers in 4 months. That's really bad. What's up viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel Catch a Mile. This is Gautam. So today we have our BMW F850 GS out. We're going to give it for service, but it's not going to be about the service. I'll do that in the next video. It's going to be about this one, the garage tour, like most of you asked. But before I show you the garage, it's not something fancy or anything like Brenzer, or there's so many other better garages, but you guys asked me, so I'll show you how it is. Wow, this looks stunning. I'm actually not missing the ZX10RR so much because this bike is a beast. It can go anywhere, do anything. But what I miss the most is the inline 4 sound. This is a parallel twin cylinder engine, so the inline 4 sound is next level. That's the only thing I miss about my ZX10RR. Otherwise, for everything else, this bike is a beast. Guys, I hope the audio is fine. There is something wrong, I don't know. Every time I try, there will be some or the other issue, but I think the audio should be fine now. This is the place where the cops caught me for the exhaust, guys. This exact place. But we don't have the bike anymore. We'll come back in an auto if the weather is like this. If it's sunny, then we'll come back in a cab. So one more thing, when I posted the previous video, it didn't get a lot of attention. I don't think many of you like those kind of videos. To be frank, there was nothing in the video except me going a little fast. So I think for that reason not many of you liked, because there was no actual content in it. I actually had a GSX-R 1000 before, Suzuki GSX-R 1000, and I crashed in that bike. If you want, I'll do a video about that, explaining stuff. You have to be really careful on our Indian roads. Not safe for super bikes. Maybe that's why I got this one. It's comfortable. It does go fast when you need it to, but most of the time you can simply cruise around. You can do long distance touring. A multi-purpose bike. So yeah, coming to the Gixxer, I crashed in that bike and it was a huge mess. I'll include a picture, right? Did you see that? Guys, it was one of the worst days. So it was actually not my fault, to be honest. I think the speed was around 40 or 50 kilometers per hour. It was in peak traffic. I'll tell you all that in another video. I'll make a dedicated video for that. I think you guys will be interested to know what happened and how to be careful. Look at the weather, it's perfect. If things were, normal without the things that are happening right now, it would be a great time to do some crazy long trips. But unfortunately, we can't. I got this bike for that sole purpose. But one funny thing, I got this bike and after 2 days we went into a complete lockdown for 2 months. So I didn't take this out anywhere yet. So this is one of the first modification, guys. I think you would have seen it in the previous video, in the previous videos, I don't know when. I got these hand guards, bark busters. I still have a few more accessories coming. The accessories itself for this bike cost around 1.5 lakh. I'll show you once I get everything. I'll be getting the tank guard and the engine guard in a few more days. And if you haven't done so, please make sure to hit that red color subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up if you've liked it so far. This used to be MV Agusta showroom, but for some reason they have stopped selling and they've closed the showroom. And we are here at Tusker BMW. Hi John, for service. Yeah, but I've done only 422 kilometers. Yeah, but it's been 4 months, so I thought, okay, let me get it done. Let's go to Starbucks, have some coffee, and then let's go back home. It's really tough breathing with this mask on. I'm like a school kid with the bag and everything. But let's go. So what they told me was the service cost is approximately going to be around 9,000 for the first service. Starbucks was open for takeaway and delivery only. Let's go to Coffee Day. Guys, in Coffee Day you have to order it with this. You have to go to the website and order it. Let's have an espresso. Hello. This mask is much better. Handkerchief mask. With that one you can't even breathe. Look at this shield cover. The weather is perfect for an auto ride, that's why. But now it's becoming a little funny. So guys, finally we have the garage door here. And for obvious privacy reasons, I had to cover up all the number plates with some paper. So please don't mind that. The first car here is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. You would have seen this car in my previous videos also. This is a lengthy car, so we park it this side so that it's easy to get in and out. So yeah, this is the first car, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. Now coming to my daily driver, this is the Ford Endeavour. It's a 2.2 liter two-wheel drive car, and this is around 2 years old now. So yeah, that's the Ford Endeavour. And coming to the Audi, I know this car has, that video wherein I put the service cost that blew up. It has, I think, more than 50 or 60,000 views. So yeah, this is our 2013 Audi Q7. It's a 3 liter V6 engine, but it still looks really fresh and new because we've maintained it like that. And coming to our last car, the famous car in our channel, the Audi R8 V10. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for the cars. We have 4 cars. My brother doesn't drive a car. He's not into automobiles and all that stuff. He's into gaming. So yeah, the S-Class, Endeavour, the R8 and the Q7. Coming to the bikes section, we have our mighty Axis 125 here. I think we got this also 1 or 2 years back. And we have my brother's Ninja 300. This is a 4-year-old bike now, and he has done only around 5 or 6,000 kilometers in 4 years. And like you saw, we left the BMW for service. That's why we have only 2 bikes. And like we have already sold my Kawasaki ZX-10RR. That's why we have 3 bikes now. I'll tell the list of cars which we had owned. My dad first got the Maruti 800. That's right, we started off with a Maruti 800. And then after that we got the Ford Icon. And after that we got the Ford Endeavour. When we had the Endeavour, we got the Hyundai Verna. Then the Audi Q7. Then we sold the Endeavour and got the Pajero Sport. Then we sold the Pajero Sport and we got the Ford Endeavour, which you are seeing here. And then we got the S-Class. No, we got the S-Class before getting the Ford Endeavour. So the S-Class, and then 2 years after we got the Ford Endeavour. And last year we got the Audi R8. Bikes part, I'll do a separate video on what all bikes that I had owned before. These are just the cars for now. I hope you liked today's video, guys. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up. And guys, one more thing before we go. I think you would have seen all the numbers are 1616. My ZX10RR, all my previous bikes, not all, except for 3 vehicles, all our cars and bikes have 1616 as the numbers, the Endeavour and the Q7. Obviously, we didn't get 1616 for the R8 because I got it pre-owned, like I had already told you in the video. So except for that and 2 other bikes which I had got pre-owned, everything else has 1616. It's just a sentiment, you can say. So that's why we have it as 1616. And that's why my Insta ID is also Gautam Naidu 1616. So that side we have an office space. In case you guys want to see the house tour, do let me know. A lot of you were actually asking me to do a house tour. Guys, this house is almost 10-year-old. So it's a 10-year-old design. So if you are interested, I'll be happy to show you the house also. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please make sure to subscribe. Peace.